They learn from an early age what can or can't be eaten. Spy Macaque is discovering how they survive on this remote island. As well as being able to swim, it has a fully waterproof camera eye. Perfect for filming these freedivers searching for shellfish. When they come up for air, there's more seafood to find. Our spy has acquired Spy Oyster. Together, they capture a filming first. These monkeys have gone fishing, grabbing whatever is trapped in the pools. It takes quick-witted reaction. Fish course over, there's more seafood on the menu. Oysters embedded in the rocks. It's a task only the best minds can crack. A treat worth the effort. Finding the right rock is a knack. It must be the correct weight and size. Like this one, designed for the job in hand. It's the perfect tool. Or was. Oh well. It starts with a sense of curiosity, but others are curious too. Whoops. No bother. If you're smart, you know how to have fun. As our spies found, macaques cast away on a remote island have found clever ways to adapt.